Good evening, guys. How are we doing? Let's go over Bitcoin. We're going to see where Bitcoin's going for the week and kind of give ourselves an analysis. All right, guys, a current update, 79 for 79 trade wins on this channel. We have never lost a trade trading crypto ever here. We've had a really good win rate. We're not scalping the market for 1 to 2%. We took 7.79% on ADA on our last trade. And actually, ADA isn't doing too bad right now. We are currently sitting, only down on this. We had a break-even entry here, 0.09%. So actually, if ADA starts blasting up here, guys, I'm going to be looking to take some profit. That might happen over the weekend or Monday, Tuesday, but I know you guys came here for Bitcoin. So let's go over this. I will show you guys in the second half of the video how to get over here and start taking our trades so you guys do not miss another one. We, honest to God, we've never lost a trade on this channel because we have very good risk management. Our indicators are incredible and we have very good metrics, and those are actually on Black Friday sale right now. So let's just dive right in, not waste too much time. All right, I was gonna do something else, but I'm just gonna cut to the chase. Here's really what I'm looking at, guys. It is the correlation to what's happened in the past to where we're currently at. Watch this. I don't know if you guys have even seen this on the chart, but look at this pump. We have a pump move down, a pump down, pump, and a move back down. Okay, does that look anything like this structure right here that you guys are seeing on the charts? This is literally the exact same formation. A low, a high, a higher low, higher low, looking for a double top formation, low, high, higher low, higher high, double top formation, and a move back down. This is, if we're going to compare these two, this is exactly where we are at the moment for both of these. Okay, so based off this structure, and it was funny because I was thinking about before I got on the video, I'm like, should I actually show this to you guys? Because a lot of people are gonna be like, well, the structure can't happen again. And then I was like, well, we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points in here that are actually correct. Maybe this can. So if this does follow suit, let's take a look at this for a second because it could actually happen. What happened over here was we had a move back up that didn't fully reach the top, and then we had a very nice move back down that definitely came below the bottom here. Okay, what that would do over here is this would make a push up here, and then we'd see another move back down, probably to structure support over here. Okay, see that? Now let's come back over here and let's dive in, because this is what I want to show you guys. This is the overall pattern we were just looking at. Here, a move up, not exactly to the top, and then a break back down looking for structure supports here, which we can see right here and right there. I do think this is possible. Absolutely. Like, here's what I'm looking at here. The trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. The two best indicators you guys need on your charts to call the tops and the bottoms of crypto. Okay, let's take a look at where we went this week. The moment that we reached in the top red section, and then when the price versus the well money flow actually reached in the top section here too, we could not head any higher. We moved straight back down, guys, and you all know about this 24-hour crash we had here. Previously, before that, we can see when we moved up in the top red section here, Bitcoin actually stopped moving up, and it took a breather, and it moved back down. Previous time before that, we actually ended up seeing this bear market that came in and actually created a downtrend of a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low formation. That is exactly what was correlated with the trend exhaustion being high, as well as the price versus the well money flow. Time before that, we can see us push up into here when we pushed up into here. Now, this didn't head down too far. We had a little bit of a drop in the market, but what we saw is a little bit more of consolidation, which that is even more powerful in my opinion, because we were heading up so strong, the trend had to stop for the indicators because we were overdue and we were due for a move back down. What does that mean? When you guys see indicators that are this accurate at calling the bottoms and the tops, it means that we've found something. We've found the behavior of traders. That really is what we're charting here. We are not charting price action. We are charting behavior. This is behavior of what people are doing behind the screens. And this down here, these two indicators chart the behavior of where we think people are going to stop buying and they're going to start selling. Watch this. It's incredible. This indicator over here tells me where people are looking to stop buying and the big boys are going to look to sell to crash the price. That's exactly what happened. What retail traders do is they use the indicators over here, such as the RSI, stochastic, and MACD. And what they do is they start buying with momentum. Let me prove this to you guys. If you take this back here and you look at this is going to play into today's analysis, I promise you. What's happening over here? A lot of the, basically, I'm going to call them retail trader indicators. This is the best thing I can call them. The retail trader indicators are the RSI, stochastic, MACD, and they are moving averages. What retail traders like to do is they like to trade with momentum and they like to trade with the trend because the trend is their friend. If you guys are watching that, you are buying into this, and that's exactly what people are doing, retail traders included. What we are doing over here is we are saying, no way. Our indicators are showing us that we are actually due for a drop back down, and we're looking for this move down. And this is exactly what we got. This is how you guys are going to keep yourself safe in the markets and literally save yourselves, depending on your account size, tens of thousands of dollars. Because let this play out here, but everybody who ended up FOMOing in here didn't actually get into the profit because it's hardly lasted at all. And then what we had is another group of people who ended up FOMOing in at this position. So we have FOMOs here and we have FOMOs here. Sorry, this sounds like weird to say that. But what this did is it actually trapped a bunch of money up here and it trapped a bunch of money right here. All of the people, the millions of dollars that they bought up here, they are trapped. Listen, okay, this is going to move into the second part of the video. You guys are going to understand this. This is really important. Why have I been so adamant about you guys setting up the buy limits? The buy limits are something like this. I'll show you exactly where the buy limits are. I just want to go in a little more detail here because I want to show this to you guys. And then I'll show you how to get into the trade so you don't miss this. Because there is so much money trapped up here, and there's so many people who bought here thinking this is going to break out. What's happened here is if we break this ascending support line right here, we come down, we break and we retest like I showed you guys in the past. You remember that chart structure I showed you guys over here? If we come up and break up, it's not going to probably pass this high up here. So it's still going to trap all those people and it's going to trap these people. And when this thing comes crashing back down, you're going to see, in my opinion, a lot of selling pressure take over. Why? Because you have sell stop orders that are below structure support looking for breakouts to the downside. That adds selling pressure. You also have people who got trapped to the upside who are going to start flipping their positions to short trades. Why? Because they are taking a loss about here and they're going to flip their short trades to try to short the market and make money as it goes down. Those two parties together is how you get flash crashes in the market, okay? That is what I'd be watching for over the weekend. All right, let's go over this. Okay, you guys okay if we just take like a 30-second break and just look at some profits that traders made this week? I just think this is fun to do it on Friday. I promise I won't take a long time. Okay, this is everybody who's using our indicators, which they're on Black Friday, so I'll share that with you guys, as well as our system where we're actually like taking trades and we haven't lost one yet. This guy did $12,800 profit on the last Solana trade last week. Incredible, guys. $1,919 since I joined, and I have won every trade. It's true because no one who has ever joined our Telegram channel, our group here, family of traders, they've never lost a trade. Okay, this guy made $500 on ADA. This guy down here did $1,300, and he said, "I'm so happy." This guy down here did pretty good. He definitely used leverage. I don't recommend using leverage, but the strategy is very capable of handling that if you guys do want to do it. I don't recommend it, but if you do, this guy made 60% on his capital in one single month. This guy down here did $4,000 off Cardano watching the videos and using my methods, okay? These guys are using indicators, $2,300 in one single day using the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow. You guys need to get these indicators because they're on the Black Friday sale. There you guys go. Click this link. I'm sorry I didn't have it linked earlier in the videos. It is linked now. Okay. Told you it wouldn't take long. Let's go over the metrics now, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get into these trades so you don't miss another trade setup. We are sitting in this neutral section right now, and it makes sense, guys. We're basically within this like channel here. We're just like channel trading back and forth. We're just ping, pong, ping, pong. Are we going to head down further? If we do and we're in this channel, that could absolutely push us down here to about $57,000. Okay, let's keep going here. If we look at long versus short trades, this does not give me confidence that we are going to head up. Let me prove this to you. If we were going down and we were looking for people to buy the demand of a lower price, what would be happening? Well, long trades would be entering into the market. Let me prove this to you. Price structure moving down. What happened? Demand took over and long trades entered the market. What happened? A correlation of the price moving back up. Demand and price moves down. The correlation is long trades enter the market, buying the demand down here, and price structure moves back up. Do you guys get that? Do you see it? All right. Now we're starting to see the movement down in price, but we do not see an increase correlation to the long trades with price structure. This is actually moving down. I think there's a lot of people getting the heck out of the way in case this thing drops back down really fast. All right. Let's continue. And also on this, guys, if we see over the weekend, I want you guys to watch these metrics. They update every single day, even over the weekends. If short trades increase up here and long trades continue to move out, this is a huge bearish sign in the market that Bitcoin could be looking to break the ascending support line, do exactly what I told you guys, break, retest, and then move back down here. It is possible. Okay, let's take a look at this. Long versus short trades, the best place to be taking in here is short trades. Okay, we don't short trade on this channel, but what do? When whales are shorting, we are selling positions. It's exactly what we did on ADA. A lot of the whales were selling up here, and so what we did was just simply sell our long trade, and then since the whales were selling, they dropped the price back down, and we got into long trade. So we're doing exactly what smart money is doing. So let's move into the section of the video, okay? Well, you guys get access to all these metrics every single day. Like, use them to make money, guys. Like, we're making a good amount of money over here. Like, I'm excited. Like, I've been doing pretty well over here. I'm thrilled with the profits I've made this year. Absolutely thrilled. Okay, sorry. Let's go over to back over to Bitcoin here. The well and institutional smart money. These guys in here completely ended up shorting out the market when this went up. All retail traders in here, excuse me, not all of them, a lot of them ended up FOMOing into this. We can prove this because we see a bunch of green candles. Buying, 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 buying. I can bet you guys smart money was not buying during this phase. This was retail trader emotional sentiment pushing this up. What smart money was doing and what we were doing with smart money is we were exiting trades since we don't short, but smart money was shorting, and they have just made a ridiculous amount of money on the move back down here. Now, this might not seem like a lot to you guys, but look at this. Sorry, I won't take too much longer. I will get into the trade setups. But at the bottom here, no one got in at the top, no one got out the bottom. But a 5x leverage on shorting exchanges, that's 30%. That's 200% more than the S&P 500 does in an entire year, and they did it in like 4 days. Like, it's insane. Okay, support resistance prices. Where am I looking at for a support? Well, that's very obvious on here, in my opinion. It's 60,500. Okay, 60,500. 60,500 puts us right about at this level, okay? Here, here, and here. Could we hit this over the weekend? I'm having a hard time giving you guys an exact entry because here's what we got to figure out. We need to see if we're actually going to break down and then test back up and then move back down. I'll give you guys my targets here in a second, but it's a little bit harder to read. And overall, the trend exhaustion is at the bottom. The well money flow is at the bottom. I wouldn't doubt if over the weekend we actually might see a bounce back up in Bitcoin. If it doesn't bounce back up if it does go back up and the pattern plays out that I showed you guys over there on the chart, this could come up here, not break the high, and then come crashing back down. That's definitely a possibility, so watch out for that. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys have like $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 in the market every time you get a green line and hold for 5 to 10 years, be my guest. You guys have done very, very well on all those entries. This came out here and showed us that we have an entry here for a red bar. This tells us that we need to be looking for exits in the market when the price is high. Okay, let's get into the best part of the video. Let's straight up just talk about how you guys can win trades. Why are you trading crypto? It's to make money, just like all these other guys in here are doing, how they're making money and they're doing very good. Just scroll down here. This guy made 17,000 euro in one single day. Okay, it's pretty insane what these guys are doing. $1,100 of profit. Come here, check it out. Let's get to the point. The membership, so you guys can access all of our metrics as well as every single trade entry, is $49 a month. I want you guys to get into this now. The business is exploding. People are understanding that this is a very good way to trade. With that said, I'm going to look to hire more people on, and I'm going to eventually look to up this price so I can just pay for more business expenses. I'm being honest with you guys, but here's what I will do. If and when I update that, I will keep this at $49 a month for you guys so you do not have to pay more. You'll be grandfathered in, so get in now for this, all right? Gives you access to the metrics. This is where you guys really need to be focusing though. Live trades. Every single one of our live trades, all 79 of them, have all been called out on this one single page, tradeconfident.io, on the front page under live trades. I also made an update for you guys. We no longer have 2 pages. You guys just have 1 page here. You can scroll all the way down. That was a request from a lot of people that didn't like going to the second page. Now it's easier to see everything. Okay, here's what I'm going to show you guys. This applies to every single one of our coins, all of them, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, all of these. Here's how we've been winning all of our trades. Watch this. This is exactly what you're going to do. And I'm just going to go with you guys and I'm going to read this out because it's so simple. Here's the trade setup. To enter the trade, simply take the amount of cash you would like to allocate to this trade. Let's, for example, say it's $1,000. You pick a number, okay? Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits labeled above. Okay, great. You have $1,000. $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 here. This is very, very simple, guys. Okay. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit shown in green into your exchange. Okay, once the first buy limit, this is literally live right now, guys. I don't know if you know that, but this is a live trade call you guys can take right now for Bitcoin. And we've won. Last trade we won on Bitcoin was a smaller win, but the trade before that we won 32% on Bitcoin. 32% on Bitcoin on our trade because we had a trailing stop loss. So once the first buy limit is hit, you guys are simply just going to set the sell limit, which is in green up here, in your exchange. Now, make sure you guys do not miss the second step. Last step. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel here. Click this. This is where I'll be calling out trade exits with our indicators for the trades that we are in. This right here will link you guys to Telegram. You must log into Telegram on your phone or your computer first. Click this link. You'll see a hot link on the website and it will add you guys in over here where I'm calling exits with the indicators, trend exhaustion. Now let's go over to the Black Friday sale. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering about this. I officially did it. This is what it is. You guys have known this if you guys have been following me for a while. The Black Friday sale is this. It is our bundle pack of indicators, which I truly believe are some of the best indicators you guys will ever get. I won't keep saying this in the videos, but literally I had the COO and CMO, Chief Marketing Officer and Chief Operating Officer of TradingView.com reach out to me to try to purchase the indicators. I say that to not brag about it. I'm just saying the value here, guys. I know the value is here. So what I'm going to do for you guys for Black Friday is that normally I want you guys to just get the price versus wall money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. The reason for that is so you guys can copy all of the trade setups and see the tops and the bottoms perfectly called in here for yourself so you guys can make money and save money and not enter into the wrong positions. But I'm also using them to call exits over here so you can follow along. At minimum, get these three. It's a few bucks more. You get the bundle pack here. It is 83% off, and you guys get 9 indicators instead of the 3. This is appreciating value as well, because at the end of this month, the price that you guys get this for, I'm going to up it $50. And then on top of that, the months to come, I'm going to be upping the price for swell money flow as well as the trend exhaustion to help pay for the business expenses. Everything is going up. I'm not joking. This will never be lower than this again. I may come out and do like a fun Christmas thing, and I might do this sale one more time, but it will never be lower than this discount ever. Mark my words, guys. Hold me to it. Seriously, check me on that. I will never drop it lower than this price again. So you are literally buying the rock bottom of the rock bottom. 83% is ridiculous. Like I just bought some clothes online from a retailer and they gave me 30% off. And I'm like, man, I'm giving people 83% off. Like don't miss this deal. That's all I've got to tell you guys. Okay. Make sure you guys snag those. And you guys also get the source codes to all the indicators as well. People aren't giving away source codes. The reason for that is because they want to keep it proprietary. I'm giving you guys the source codes. If I ever go out of business for whatever reason, I never see that happening, by the way. If I do, you guys get the source codes for life so nobody can take them away from you. You get the trend exhaustion, the price per swell, money flow, and all the indicators for yourself. So let's end this video right here. The greatest place you guys need to be watching right now is this structure right here. Now, I do believe it is possible. I know people are going to get angry at this. I do believe it's possible to head down to structure low here, which is right at $53,000 $53,000 is where the structure high is. Now, if this comes down and crashes here, I do believe we're going to get a very nice move back up. Make sure your guys' buy limits are set up because you guys will be able to get into this trade. If over the weekend this thing crashes, we are going to get into every single one of our trades that have hit the first buy limit, and even second buy limits will most likely get hit. You do not want to miss getting into these trades because here's what's going to happen. I haven't updated 79 for 79 wins for a while. What does it mean? It means we are currently in trades, and if this market drops and then bounces back up, we are going to fly up to 81, 82, 83, and probably 84 extremely fast, and those are all profits you guys can take yourself. So do not miss it. Watch for the break of the ascending support line. It's the most important value. Probably, I would say, if we break below 62,000 again, you want to watch for that move back down, the move up, and then this drop back down. Watch it strongly because if this plays out again, exactly like it did over here on the chart where you guys see this move up, down, up there, and then we see this great drop back down, this could be exactly what we're seeing right now with this move up, down. We see that, remember, guys, this double top formation right here, this double top formation right here, it's weak. But the move back up would be a move back up right here, not all the way getting to the top, and then actually moving back down below the structure support here, which is exactly what the structure support over here is. That is going to tag us in. That will get us all in, and I believe demand's going to take over because we will now be close to this structure support here, and we will start seeing the price pump back up. This is how we're going to trade this and make some money. Set up your buy limits. Do not miss out, guys. The indicators are in the description. When you guys click this, all you need to do is click this link right here and in checkout, type in Black Friday. That's it. It's the simplest coupon code. You can capitalize whatever you want. It does not matter. You can lowercase everything. It is just Black Friday. Don't miss out on that, guys, because I'm not going to lower it below that ever again. Really, it's going to go up at the end of the month. So make sure you guys snag that. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. I'm going to be resting, going to church, just hanging out with my family, and just relaxing. Oh, I'm sorry. One more thing. I don't know how many people are actually going to watch it all the way to this end, but let me tell you guys something. If you guys, depending on when I update the buy limits, there might be times that the price is actually lower than the first buy limit. And I'm going to get this question, Travis, if the price is lower than the first buy limit on the chart, depending on when I update it, taking time off on the weekend, all that type of stuff, If this price is below this entry right here on buy limit 1, it is okay to go ahead and market order in with 25% if you are below this buy limit. The day after that, or starting Monday, all of the buy limits will be set up and giving you guys the best next entry. What it means is it simply just means that our first buy limit was hit, and if the price is below the first buy limit ever, it doesn't happen too often, but there will be times where the price goes below the first buy limit. What that means is forgo the first buy limit up here and just get in with 25% market order at that moment. Why? Because you're on discount from the buy limit, and it's an even better entry than what I show here. It's very rare, but if you ever see that, it is a crazy discount and you want to snag it. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. This is entertainment purposes only, but there will be times when this comes out and this white line is actually below the first buy limit, or the live price might be below here. And that is a very rare occasion where you guys want to snag this on a discount of 25% market order in, and then set up your 3 other buy limits down here. It does not happen often, but it can happen sometimes on the weekends based off when I update things and I take time off on the weekends. So sometimes that can happen, but make sure you guys are watching that, because that's a crazy little discount you guys get when that happens. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Have an amazing weekend. God bless you so much, and I will see you guys Monday. Get the indicators in the description before they go up. Get the membership before that goes up as well, and make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits and joining me in the Telegram channel so you guys don't miss any of the calls. God bless you guys. I'll see you Monday. Let's have a great trading week, and we're going for 85 wins before the month of November is over. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.